sehr geehrten Damen und Herren.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, I hope that over the next few days you will enjoy interesting presentations and discussions, lively conversations with specialist colleagues and exhibitors, and would hereby like to declare the STUVA 2015 conference open.
Sehen Sie sich um. Die STUVA-Tagung ist wieder eine Tagung der Rekorde.
Take a look around. The STUVA Conference is once again a record-breaking conference. We have more than 1,800 participants and more than 165 exhibitors spread across 2,600 square meters. Nowhere else can you find such a concentrated flood of information regarding tunnel construction than at this conference. The distances are short. People are on the ideal path to finding the information they need.
Der Austausch zwischen den Kunden, den Baufirmen.
The exchange between customers, construction companies and even construction companies between suppliers. This is a unique opportunity that we are presented with as exhibitors.
Man hat den Erfahrungsaustausch mit den Leuten, die wirklich vor Ort.
We have an exchange of experiences with the people who actually use our products on site and in tough conditions. And all this works really well here, even exceeding company boundaries and management levels.
Es ist so ein Familientreffen.
It's like a family reunion during which you can refresh many personal contacts. And that's really fun at the STUVA Conference. For us, the focus is not only to meet old contacts again and create new ones, but also to discuss new technical developments.
Besonders gut gefällt mir einfach das Angebot an verschiedenen Ständen.
I particularly like the offerings at various booths. I'm currently still investigating and can walk around, can find out what each of the booths have to offer, what the various companies also offer. It's interesting to expand my horizons and to find out what's what in tunnel construction.
Das ist aus meiner Sicht die beste Gelegenheit.
From my point of view, this is the best opportunity in the German-speaking region, and I don't know anywhere else internationally where you can get updated and know what's going on.
Wenn ich das vergleiche mit
If I compare this to events elsewhere in the world, such as RETC in America, then I have to say STUVA does very well.
Neben der internationalen Tunnelbau.
Alongside the international tunnel construction event, this here is surely Europe's most important place for subterranean construction and all that goes with it. Plus, the STUVA Conference is a must for the industry.
This is recognized as one of the top international conferences in the world. So we have a high number of participants and a wide range of skills and expertise that can be shared.
I'd like to thank the STUVA Organizing Committee for giving us an opportunity to speak in our world and our careers. This is a privilege to be here.
Die Tagung selber mit den Vorträgen gibt natürlich auch
The conference itself with the presentations also gives a good overview of what is currently happening in the tunnel construction industry.
My personal
STUVA highlight is the combination or the steps STUVA has taken to introduce a new block, presenting an entirely new perspective to tunnel operation. Because tunnel operation and tunnel construction go hand in hand.
Das war was in den letzten Jahren nicht gegeben war.
That was what has been missing over the past few years. And as I cover both construction and operating technology, it is a little complex here and there. But it is very nice, yes.
Vorher war es eben eine sehr baulastige Veranstaltung.
This has always been a very construction-related event, and that pleases me greatly. We are now here for the third time, and for the first time there's an actual operational background to the event.
Die STUVA-Tagung und STUVA-Expo.
The STUVA Conference and STUVA Expo are a must for the participants, because they represent the meeting of the large tunnel construction family.
Weil man hier innerhalb von 3 Tagen ein sehr
Because in the space of 3 days, you are offered a quite compact program. You can have discussions and the quality is at a very high standard.
Außerdem gibt es
Also, there are incredible opportunities to get into contact with people that are new to this industry, and also those who have already been working in it for years.
Weil es in die Zukunft auch so viele Neuerungen und so viele
Because there will be so many updates and so many ideas that you can take part in the future, and you have the feeling that you are really a part of it. And future projects might even start here. The STUVA Conference and the STUVA Expo 2015 in Dortmund exceeded all expectations, with 1,850 conference delegates and more than 550 registered professional trade show visitors. Around 2,400 experts in all have visited the conference and made use of the offerings from 165 international exhibitors across 6,000 square meters exhibition space. The next STUVA Conference and STUVA Expo will be held from 6th to 8th December 2017 in Stuttgart. Be there.